morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue with the sounds and spellings in our literacy lesson, whereby we were learning the sound. And today we are going to make sentences with words that have sound. And our first sentence is here. And I would like us to read together. Let's read together, boys and girls. A car has 4 wheels. So we have used the word wheels to make a sentence. Another sentence that we can make, let's read together sentence number 2. I blew a whistle. Let's read again. I blew a whistle. Good. Let's read sentence number 3 together, boys and girls. Jane has white socks. Very good. Again. Jane has white socks. Very good. So the word white has sound. Number 4. Let's read together. Where are you going? Let's read again. Where are you going? So the word where has the sound. And you realize here we have put a question mark and not a full stop because we are asking a question. But in number 1, number 2, and 3, we have put full stops. So remember that, it is very important. Let's read our sentence number 5. A whale is in the water. Let's read it again. A whale is in the water. Very good. Another thing that you should remember, boys and girls, when you're making sentences, we must always begin in a capital letter. You see here, we have started all our sentences using a capital letter. Very good. Now, I want you to do this work at home, whereby, let's read the instructions together. Make sentences using the words below. We read again the instructions. Make sentences using the words below. Let's read the words that you're going to use. We are now familiar with these words. The first word is wheat. The second word is whisper. The third word is who, for, why, and number 5, where. Let's read the words again. Wheat, whisper, who, why, where. Very good, boys and girls. So, I know you will be able to make very good sentences from home. And remember, start all your sentences in a capital letter. Add your sentence in a full stop. And if you're asking a question, remember to put a question mark. Very good, boys and girls. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good day. Bye-bye.